Hello, welcome back to my fashion illustration tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing how to draw a runway fashion illustration figure. Before we start, I would like to walk you through on how I usually scale the figure. I usually take 2.8 to 3 centimeters to scale the head. Then, draw one straight central line from the head down to the feet. You are welcome to use a ruler if you can't draw freehand. From the first 3 centimeter mark, if you go one head down, that will be the chest area. Move one more head down, and you will find the waist. And another head down and you will find the hip. Move 2 heads and a half. That's where you will find the knees. And mark the same measurements down and you will find the ankles. Please keep in mind that this is not the right way or the wrong way, this is just how I do it. First, let's draw a small oval for the head, following the scale we marked. Then draw a straight line from the center. Draw a gentle line for your bust, waist, and hip. Then, to mark the shoulder line, divide the second section in half. Next, draw a slightly curved line toward the right, extending it down to the hip line. At the points where this curved line intersects with the original straight line, draw perpendicular lines on shoulder mark, waist, and hip. For the head, normally I draw an oval about 2 centimeters wide. Then, for the shoulders, measure 2 centimeters to the left and 2 centimeters to the right from the center line. For the waist, since it's half the width of the shoulders, mark 1 centimeter on each side. Then, connect the marks from the shoulder line to the waist and from waist to hip. Draw your chest as the next step. Remember, it doesn't need to look perfect. We are just drawing a rough sketch at this stage. Since we're drawing a walking figure now, we'll draw the leg that steps forward first. Because it's a runway walk, draw the leg slightly angled. From the top of the thigh, draw it line slightly past the center point. For the back leg, which is positioned behind, try to draw it straight down to the knee. This leg is positioned behind, so visually it will appear slightly shorter than the other. Now follow my lead to draw the hands and finish the rest of the figure. Alright, That's it for our runway fashion figure tutorial. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.